Hi, I'm the Herb Guy. The Medicine in Oak Bark, Part 2. Harvesting and Using. Okay, so once you've identified your tree, and if you want to learn how to identify your tree, I just recommend getting a plant identification app or a tree identification app. The one that I use when I run across a plant that I can't identify right offhand is called PlantNet. It's all one word. It's printed right there, but I'm not going to spend too much time on that. Anyway, so if you want to get your tree, if you have it in your backyard, it's not been cut down and you want to preserve it, you can take off small chunks. It's fairly easy to get small pieces. And you don't want to damage the tree. You know, you're just getting it for yourself. You don't really need a whole lot. When you consider about a half a teaspoon will be enough for a cup of tea. So you can go around the whole thing. If the thing has been cut down, if your oak tree has been cut down, then by all means, you know, harvest away. Save as much as you want. But yeah, you can get as much of this as you can. Get the smaller pieces. You see, in just a little bit of time, I got enough for easily 4 or 5 cups of tea. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to clean it up and use it. Oh wait, there's another piece. There. Hang on. Okay, this part's pretty simple. Take your bark, get a steel brush. You can get it in any set, auto parts store. You get them at Walmart, dollar store, whatever. Because there's lichen that'll grow on the bark, get it a little wet. Brush it with the steel brush. You don't want to take all of it off, but just get most of it off of there. I mean, bark-wise, of course. Once you've done all that, you get all the stuff that doesn't need to be on there. You know, we're looking for bark, not any of the other stuff that's grown on it. It'll look about like that. See how much cleaner it is? Once you've done that, you know, you get your pieces. You can even throw them in there. I mean, it's a tree. It's been rained on for decades. A little bit of water on it right now isn't going to hurt anything. Scrub it all off, get it all dry. Throw it in your dehydrator. Put your cleaned bark in a food dehydrator for 48 hours. Once your bark is dried, chop it up finely and put into a cute tea strainer. Add hot water. And wait 8 to 10 minutes. Now that it's ready, enjoy your tea. Thanks for watching. Bye.